Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about Unit 4 Sports and Entertainment chapter of GK, that is Offbeat Sports. So students, let's begin with it. First one, fill in the blanks, take the help from the help box. So students, these are the fill in the blanks and we have to fill with the help of the help box. So let's begin with the first one. Dash is a combination race comprising a swim of 3.8 kilometers, a bicycle ride of 180 kilometers and a 42.2 kilometer run. It is an Olympic event in Australia alone. There are 20,000 people who participate in this difficult sports, that is triathlon. So we are going to write here triathlon. Triathlon, like this. Okay, then second one, dash is a parachuting sport in which the driver jumps from specially prepared aircraft. They perform maneuvers in the air before or after opening their parachutes. So students, that is skydiving. So we are going to write here skydiving, like this. Then the third one, dash is cricket's latest attempt at innovation. Each inning has to be completed within 75 minutes. The incoming batsman must be at crease within 90 seconds of the previous wicket falling, or he will be time out. Umpire speak of the commentator via a microphone. So student, that is 2020. Okay students, this is how we have to write it down. Then fourth one, dash became popular in 1970s, in which a triangular sail of systematic fiber is fixed to an aluminum frame. The pilot hangs from the harness and steers the gladiators with a control bar that shifts the triangular framework. The air currents help the pilot to soar as they run into the wind of a cliff of a hill. So that is hang gliding. So we are going to write here hang gliding, like this. Okay, then fifth one, dash. Now the fifth one is a popular sport in which participants use a rubber raft to maneuver through rapids or white water. In India, this sport is carried out on the beaches in Himachal Pradesh on the Ganga and its tributaries in Uttaranchal and UP on the Indus and Zanskar river in Ladakh and Zanskar. So students, what it is? Yes, this is white water rafting. So we are going to write it here, white water rafting, like this. Okay, so let's begin with the another one. So now here is another one, that is mascots of Olympics. So all the Olympic games have a mascot, usually an animal or a human figure that represent the cultural heritage of the place where the games are held. Write the name of these mascots. Take the help from the help box. So students, these are the mascots we can see here and we have to write the name of these mascots. So let's start with the first one, that is, we can see Los Angeles 1984. So that is Sam. So we are going to write it here, Sam. Okay, then Seoul in 1988. So that is Audrey. Okay, then in 1992, that is Barcelona. So that is Kobe. Okay, then So now we'll do the fourth one. that is Atlanta in 1996. So that is easy. IZZY. Easy. Then Sydney 2000. So they are SYD, SYD, Ollie and Miley, MILLIE, Miley. Then Athens 2004. So that means she is Athena and Phoebus. Okay, students? Now, seventh one. That is Beijing in 2008. So, he is Fua. London 2012. That is Misha. And then Rio 2016. So she is Vinius. Vinius. VINICIUS. Vinius. Okay, students. Now let's do the another one. That is sports and entertainment with Indian Olympics. So now we'll do the Indian Olympics. These athletes have made India proud by winning medals in Olympic. Write the answers. So students, these are the players who have made us proud in the Olympics. So let's begin with the first one. He won the gold medal in tennis at the 2012 Games in London and 2016 Games at Rio. So she is Andy Murray. We're going to write it here. Andy Murray. Like this. Okay. Then he won a gold medal in shooting at the 2008 Games at Beijing. So he is Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra. Okay. Now next one. Third one. He won a silver medal in shooting at the 2004 Games at Athens. So, Shooter Rathore. Okay? So, we are going to write it here. Shooter Rathore. Okay? Then fourth one. She won a bronze medal in weightlifting at the 2000 Games at Sydney. So she is Karnam Malleshwari. So we are going to write it here. Karnam Malleshwari. Okay. Then fifth one. He won a gold medal as part of the hockey team at the 1936 Games at Berlin. So he is Dhyan Chand. So we're going to write it here. Dhyan Chand. Like this. Okay. Then sixth one. He won a bronze medal in boxing at the 2008 Games at Beijing. He is Vijender Singh. So we are going to write it here. Vijender Singh. Like this. Okay. Then seventh one. She won a bronze medal in badminton at the 2012 Games at London. So she is Sania Nehwal. Sania Nehwal. Like this. Okay. Now, he won a bronze medal in wrestling at the 2012 Games at London. So he is Yogeshwar Dutt. So Yogeshwar Dutt. Like this. Okay, students. So now we'll do the another one. So in this we have to write the names of the films which were related to the games. So movie magic. Sports have been the subject of many movies. The names of films are given in the grid. Circle the names of the films in the grid. So students, we have to find the names of the films in this box and then we have to write it here. So first we will be writing down and then we will find out in the box. So first one is write the name of sports which are related to films. The first one is Chak De India. So that is hockey. So we are going to write it here, hockey, like this. Okay, so let's find it out here, hockey. So we have to find out the name of the movie. So that is Chak De India, like this. Okay, so this is how we have to circle it. Now, second one is Iqbal. So it is also on cricket. So we are going to write it here, cricket, like this. Okay, so let's find out the movie here. That is Iqbal. So this is Iqbal. Okay, students. Now, third one is Lagan. It is also based on cricket. Okay, so let's find out the name. Here. So, okay students, so this is the movie Lagan. Then, so the fourth movie is Football, Bend It Like Beckham. So we're going to write it here, football. So let's find out the Bend It Like Beckham. So it is here, like this. Okay, now fifth one is Cherry Maguire. So that is on horse riding. Okay, so now we are going to write down here Cherry Maguire. Okay, so this is how we have to do it. So students, this is how we have come the end of this